How to fix Discord Captcha on Discord. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go to apps or applications, and here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. So you will search for Discord. When you found Discord, just open it like this and go to storage. On storage, go to clear data, click OK and go back and click on for stop and click OK. And the last things is going to Play Store and update your Discord again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.